My name is Adam Winger. I'm the library director here at North Logan City Library. One thing I love is hearing other people's stories, whether they're real or imaginary. So it's nice to see the world from the lens of somebody else's eye. The role of a library, I believe, is to bridge the gap between a book, a computer, and what you experience in life.
I definitely think this library does a lot of out-of-the-box things, especially this water play. They have a lot of outdoor activities in the summertime, and the kids sure love it.
The North Logan Library is always doing different things to get kids motivated to read, and it's not necessarily sitting down and helping them read. It's activities, and they give lots of prizes and motivation to help kids want to read.
My approach to libraries has been that of experimentation. We are experimenting with how to give people access to technology, with touchscreen monitors, with iPads, with Kindles. Our big emphasis is to give people possibility. I believe libraries should provide the spaces for people to explore their interests, not just to consume knowledge, to create knowledge. I believe working with kids, if you get them excited about something, if it's jumping in a bounce house, seeing the muscles in their legs, they're going to be excited about learning about their own bodies. One of our really successful programs was a magic show. Every magic book that we had was checked out within an hour after the show. A dull roar would be the ideal noise level for the library that I'd like to build here in North Logan, because people are interacting with each other and they're interacting with ideas. It's a sign of a good library. It's a sign that you have great books that kids want to read.
We come to the library every Thursday.
And how do you like it?
It's very fun.
I have one of the best jobs in the world where I get to do a little bit of everything. I get to read, I get to purchase books, I get to plan events, I get to go down a water slide with kids. That's my job. Make this place a destination.